The SHO-ME LED Folding Directional Arrow is designed to take care of all of your traffic control needs. The ease of installation makes the folding directional arrow a great choice for temporary needs. To install, simply unfold the chevron portion of the arrows, making sure that they are tight. Slide the mounting bolts in either the rear or the bottom T-slots to mount the desired mounting brackets. Here we show mounting the standard mounting brackets to the bottom T-slot and then to the tailgate mounting brackets using the nuts that are supplied. Once the tailgate brackets are in place, simply hang the folding directional arrow over the tailgate of the pickup and plug into a 12-volt power outlet. The folding directional arrow has 4 flash patterns to choose from, which include center out, wigwag, left arrow, and right arrow. All are chosen by a simple press of the momentary button. The SHO-ME Folding Directional Arrow is available in a 36-inch, 48-inch, or 60-inch lengths and is available with a power plug adapter as shown here, or a deluxe controller, or a plug for your 7-wire RV plug on the vehicle.